When I started culinary school, my goal was to transition out of the printing business, which I was in, and go into the food business. And that was either maybe start my own catering company, start a restaurant. Wasn't quite sure, but I knew it would give me the skill set to, I knew how to cook, but now let me cook professionally. I've always been love of food and love of cooking, and was trying to make a career change, selling a business that I had. And so at the time I was trying to, where do I go? And looked at CUD, they have a culinary program. It's a great state-of-the-art facility. It was the right price and allowed me to be there part-time. So it was a perfect program to be in transition or to be doing something else at the same time. The instruction I received in the culinary program was really good. I mean, most of the people that I had were trained actually at the Culinary Institute of America. Everyone has been a working professional in the field, and then have now, gone over to the academic side. So it was great because I got a world of experience being taught. There was a lot of anecdotal things that they could teach you besides just book and how to do things. You learned very much the practical side of a kitchen just because of their experience. One of the classes we had to take was a purchasing and buying class. It really did help, when you're starting to visualize what are things really going to cost when you start replacing dinnerware, when you start replacing tables and sourcing them out and that sort of thing. So that was a good takeaway from school. It was an excellent class. So then the transition into sitting down one day with a friend of mine, and I said, hey, there was a restaurant for sale. We started looking for a good venue, and that's what we found here in LaGrange with La Buona Vita. And so we've decided to, we're Northern Italian, we're a scratch kitchen. Since I started this restaurant, we now make all our own pastas in-house, we make all our own sauces in-house, we make all our own dressings in-house. Everything we do pretty much that we can make, we make in-house. And that kind of goes back to my culinary experience from COD, which is really great because it gave me, again, the skill set to say, don't be afraid to do these things. And now we have a scratch kitchen Italian restaurant, La Buona Vita. So it's pretty exciting. Take a dream and then make it a reality.